Hi, it's Mike from Custom Cruisers. Okay, not all S&S or Super E, Super G, whatever you want to call them, carbs are the same. Some are real ultra delk, if you want to use a 70s phrase, delky. Okay, this is top of the range. See, it's almost polished. This also has the choke. Okay, you don't get this. This is stage 1, stage 2, we're off. Okay, you also get the adapter for the CV carburettor. This here allows you to fit a CV style filter as opposed to having to buy a crazy money S&S or Ultimate one. Okay, now check the quality. This is a nice shiny well-made carburettor. It's almost chromed or polished. Okay, the fittings are very good quality. You see the fittings are not the usual ultra delk from some countries that should be nameless because they got done for slagging them off. Okay, so you can see it's a very nice bit of kit, comes complete with an O-ring. I'll say we provide the filter here, adapter as well. So if you want the ultimate, and I mean this is the ultimate in carburettors, not the usual die-cast crap. Even though this is die-cast, it's done to a very high standard, and if you look at the quality of the butterflies and everything, it's a well-made carb. Okay, you know, everything's bang on, otherwise we wouldn't sell them. If you know me, I don't do shit. Okay, we also do the aftermarket CVs, and we also do the aftermarket Mikunis. Okay, 42s and 45s. You will be paying a lot more for the manifolds for a 45 or a 48. I can tell you that for nothing, because the manifold, we need a lot of extra bits to make it fit. And also this literally comes complete and ready to bolt on. Very easy to tune. Not my favourite, I actually prefer the Mikuni, but if you want a good quality S&S lookalike, you know, for your chopper or your old school bike, so it doesn't look modern, this is the one to buy. Call Mike 01773835666, customcruisers.com, or the new site customcruisers.eu if it ever gets done by the goddamn French. Thank you.